There was a squirrel, his name's King Julian. He lives right up there. What is going on, guys? Thank you for clicking on the video. So this is it. This is the new DJ Customs headquarters. There's gonna be a lot of cool things going on in here, such as cleaning it, first of all, some car projects to come. And I think it's just gonna be like a great place to hang out, come up with some ideas, inspire, just the vibe, just keep, just a good vibe in here. Eventually. Right now it's kind of like dingy, the lighting's a little off. Someday we're gonna fix all that. But let's get into cleaning it right now. First off, we got these 2 rooms over here that are like absolutely just taking up way too much space. So we gotta get rid of those. There's just some random debris around that we're gonna clean up. Some drywall, some dirt. There's a dead squirrel over there somewhere. So let's do it. Oh, there's so much more room for activities. And just like that, we have a nice, clean barn, a nice, clean slate, if you will, to work with. As you can tell, we wrecked out the rooms that were right here. So what I was thinking about doing was actually rebuilding the walls. I know, a little counterintuitive, but the wall started right here. So this was like taking up a lot of space. But what I was thinking was I was going to build a wall right here and then do like an office space over here and then a studio over here, and maybe do like a little hallway right through here to split this off so you could just walk in and choose the way you go. Might be kind of cool. And then on this exterior wall, do some like big cool graffiti or something like that to just really, I don't know. We'll see what happens. But as always, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I would love it if you guys just left a comment. If it's the last thing, if it's the only thing you guys do, just put a comment in and be like, hey, Darian, I really liked your video, blah, 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 blah. maybe do this with the barn. And I'll be like, oh, that's a good idea, dude. I didn't think about that. I didn't even think about that. That's a good idea. And then maybe I'll do that idea, and you could be like, yeah, bro, I told him to do that, and then he did it. You know, like, that'd be cool. We'll see you guys. Peace.